Hello! Today on Moony, we're gonna do a super cool science experiment. We're gonna make a volcano, and I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Do you know what's cooler than a regular volcano? A rainbow volcano! Let's get into the super cool ingredients we need for this super cool science experiment. You're gonna need a paintbrush, a pipette, a mixing pot strip, some ink. I have magenta, yellow, and cyan. You're also gonna need a beaker that looks like this, and some clay, and of course, some fizzy tabs. Oh, I almost forgot. You're also gonna need some warm water. All right, first step, make the volcano. I'm gonna use this clay and create a volcano around this beaker. Volcanoes are an awesome example of how nature adds color to the earth. Hot gases deep inside the earth build up and become pressurized. The gases find a hole and lead to the surface to escape. When gases escape, they bring molten rocks and minerals along for the ride, aka lava. Let's do it. To make our volcano rainbow, I put our 3 inks into the mixing pot strip. And now I'm gonna paint the clay. All right, our volcano's looking awesome. Let's add the fizzy tabs. The fizzy tabs contain both an acid, like vinegar, and a base, like baking soda, which quickly react to produce lots of carbon dioxide gas. We're gonna add 2 fizzy tabs to our volcano. The acid and base cannot touch each other until water dissolves the tablet and allows them to unite. So let's add some water. I have my warm water right here. We're just gonna pour it in. Wow, that's so cool! Wow, that was so much fun! Thanks for joining me, and join me next time for the next cool experiment. Bye!